Hi, it's a 36 volt 800 watt electric wooden go-kart. So it's day 8 now, and it's been hammering it down today and raining, and the wind's blowing a gale, so I've not been able to go on the balcony and cut wood. Right, so I was thinking, I was sat on it last night measuring my foot position and thinking where my feet are gonna go. So I've got a few ideas, but I can't cut the wood. The wood that I need to cut, because it's throwing it down and I just can't do it. I'm not cutting it inside, it makes too much dust. Right, I'm going to ponder a few ideas what I've got for where your feet can go, and I don't know, maybe it'll start raining later and I'll be able to do it, but we'll see. So it's day 8 anyway, but I don't think I can get much done. It's Friday the 12th of October 2018. Right, so I want my foot supports coming down here somehow and about there, so if you can see where the wheel is and everything. So I tried bending this metal bar on my DIY bench, but it's only made for woodwork, that I couldn't bend it at all. I was thinking, what can I do? And then I had an idea, and this is the wheelchair frame. I've got the wheels off. It used to be my mum's wheelchair. I bought it off my dad, and my dad put the money to the British Lung Foundation, what the family are raising money for. So wheelchair, took this bar off here. This is what the footrests go on. So just a nut there, if you can see. Just unscrew that, big bolt comes out, and I'll show you what I'm doing next. Oh, here we go. Photobombed again. Look at his tongue. When I first got him, his tongue was out like that on the very first day I seen him. Wasn't it? Eh? He was only tiny. As you can see, I've had yesterday. Loads of hairs on my carpet again. He's always losing his hairs. Proper nightmare, Jack Russells. Anyway, this is what I'm going to use to put your feet on. So they're off a wheelchair like I just shown you. They go like that. If I can show you. No, and you won't be able to do it. Right, that goes down, so it folds up like that. Comes up, can't show you properly, but they're going to go on there like that. So they fold up. Take that sharp edge off. Don't know what to do, flatten it down or whatever, but it's going to be screwed onto there like that. So nice big foot plates. Right, okay, do a bit more work on these and get them fitted. Right, I'm really struggling with this foot position. When you sat on it, your feet need to be at least there, and when the wheels turn, it's going to catch. So all I can think, first of all, before I make the foot bars, is move the seat back. That's all I can think. Just give it a bit more leg room. Okay, I'm going to do it quickly. Right, it's further back, but the bottom of the seat is at a different sitting position. It's not as angled because there's a bolt under there. So I'm not starting sawing bolts. Right, I'm really struggling with this foot position. So all I can think, the seat's further back now, but all I can think is raise the bottom of the seat 2 inches. Make me 2 inches higher. It just won't fit me. I'm 5'10", and my feet are near enough on my floor, so I've got a plan with this. I might put rubber suspension on it. We'll see. We'll see what my dad's got. Okay, I'm off out now. Catch up in a bit. Right, I think I'm best just sawing it. no power switch on it. Plug it in, it turns on. Plug it out, it turns off. Right, I'm just going to saw them. Okay, so that's it done. I saw them through them with an hacksaw and ground my edges off, the burrs off, put it a bit safer with a file. So that's them. I'm also getting these, show you now. Right, with these grommets. Now, these are going to make the seat, what are they? Say, 1.5 to 2 inches higher. So, need a bit of a clean. We've got mouldy, or dirt, whatever, I don't know what it is. Okay, let's get home and get them fitted. Okay, that's the seat done. Put these shock absorber off the car, grommets, don't know how old they are. Probably off an old Mini, the very first Mini, don't know. But that's it. You can see under there, there's one under there. Tilted the angle back more. Right, the angle of the back piece was too far back. You want support in your back, so I've put it like this. But this is sort of some messing about this, and it's all through the foot position where my feet are gonna go. Right, okay, I'm gonna crack on with it. But it's 7:15 at night. Can't be drilling much later than this. I live in a flat, like I said before. Right, first of all, before I show you the footrest, what you can see there, quite a lot of people have said to me face to face, and people leaving comments on YouTube about the safety of this, but saying don't go fast on it, you could fall off and all this sort of stuff. But surely this is safer than what it was as a mounting board, what you just stood on a board. If you fall off it, you're face planting, you're going on your arms, you fall on your arms, you break your collarbone. Surely it's safer than that, isn't it? Okay, so here's the footrest, goes down like that. I will fix it in, washer under here it needs, and a washer there. You can tighten it up really tight then. But gutted, drilled it wrong, got an hole in my board, so I've got an idea to sort that. But anyway, you've been watching me with the foot positioning problem, and hopefully this has solved it. Well, I've sat on it, my feet seem alright. It's quite low to the ground, might need a bit cutting off it. Might need a bit cutting off it, off this bit here again, but it'd raise it up a bit then, do you know? We'll see, we'll do that tomorrow. But you've been watching my 36 volt 800 watt electric wooden go-kart, and yeah, I've repositioned my seat, done my footrest. Right, okay, thanks for watching.